Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin kung ano yung parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Virgo sa September 3, 2024 at 9:55 a.m. Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng new moon sa inyong lugar. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So, itong reading na to, mas makaka-resonate dito yung mga Libra rising, pero pwede rin namang mag-resonate yung Libra moon or Libra sun. Okay, for you Libra, itong new moon, which is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new experiences, is going to happen in your 12th house. Okay, so this can be a little parang medyo complicated for you kasi 12th house is a lot of things, especially with your mental health, uh, with the things that are hidden sa'yo, your spirituality. Masyado siyang malalim, okay? So you might feel a bit emotional during this time. Maaring meron kang mga kailangang i-workout sa sarili mo, like you may be doing some shadow work kasi itong si Saturn is opposition your moon, which is in your sixth house. So sixth house is about your daily routine, yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo every day, like trabaho, uh, yung mga organization, yung pag-organize ng mga bagay-bagay sa buhay mo. So maaring meron kang mga uh, aayusin, no? When it comes to organizing and managing yourself, your work, your career, your business, ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo araw-araw. Um, your ruler, which is Venus, is in your first house as well. So I think you're really working on yourself, no? You are practicing self-love, self-care, and yung iba sa inyo, itong ginagawa niya na to ay sa pamamagitan ng pag-aalaga sa inyong mental health. So some of you are really doing some meditation, yoga, you are improving yourself. Some of you pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ng enhancement sa inyong sarili, hindi lang sa surgery, no? So pwedeng, yung iba pwedeng surgery, yung iba naman, this is about just improving how you look, how you style yourself. So mas nagiging, you're loving yourself more, Libra. Especially kung ikaw ay nagkaroon ng mga challenges with losses. Like for example, may nawalang mahal sa buhay, or nawalan ng trabaho, or anything na ini-let go mo in the past that has really affected you mentally. So, a lot of things going on for some of you, Libra. Yung iba nagkakaroon talaga ng challenges, but um, with Neptune and Pluto having this sextile, medyo ano kasi siya, no? Um, transformative para sa inyo. Merong transformation, may major change that might also be happening in your house, your home life, your family life, na uh, somehow isa rin to sa naging challenge ninyo in the past na may mga nagbago, yung iba sa inyo, loss of a loved one or a parent, ganyan. Of course, hindi naman mag-resonate for a lot of you, no? But this has really, affected you mentally na maaring uh, you have, parang meron kang ano rito sa nagkaroon ka ng self-sabotage in the past. And now, you are realizing ano ba yung talagang nagawa mo sa sarili mo na bakit mo hinayaan uh, na mapunta ka sa isang sitwasyon na parang pinabayaan mo yung sarili mo. So, ngayong new moon in Virgo, things are going to be better for you dahil you are finally realizing your worth. Mas may pag-aalaga ka sa sarili mo ngayon, bumabawi ka sa sarili mo. You are really being there for yourself. Lalo na kung sa tingin mo wala kang ibang maaasahan na susuporta sa'yo, tutulong sa'yo. I also see you na pwedeng yung iba, pwede kayo ay bubukod sa family ninyo. Like, for example, sa parents nyo, aalis ka na sa poder nila to live on your own, to be more independent, na walang nakikialam sa mga gusto mong gawin. Kasi pwedeng yan yung nag-add rin ng mental stress sa'yo in the past dahil may mga taong nakikialam sa decision mo or sa mga ginagawa mo sa buhay. So, ngayon, merong new beginnings for you in terms of the mindset na meron ka ngayon. Oo. Na you are finally taking care of yourself more. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, Six of Wands. This is about pagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob na i-pursue yung mga goals mo sa buhay. And you're going to be very successful in this. This is energy ng Leo na talagang gusto niya na maging successful, gusto niya maging center of attention, or not just being center of attention, but also to celebrate yung kanyang journey, yung kanyang mga achievements sa buhay. And I also see na mas marami kang support na makukuha outside of your family. Like, for example, mga kaibigan mo or mga taong naniniwala sa mga pananiniwalaan mo, paninindigan mo. Let's say you're someone who isn't like an influencer. So, maraming tao na magsusupport sa gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Yes, you have the Emperor, which is finally being in control of your life. Mas may direction yung buhay mo ngayon. Mas nakikilala mo yung sarili mo, kung ano yung gusto mo talaga. Okay? Maraming tao sa mundo na hindi nila kilala talaga yung sarili nila because they are busy with a lot of things outside of themselves. Like yung trabaho nila, yung ibang tao na umaasa sa kanila. But I feel like ngayon, it's time for you to tend to yourself, to focus on yourself, to go deeper within. Ano ba yung needs mo? Ano ba yung pangangailangan mo? Na this time, hindi pangangailangan ng iba ang iisipin mo, but kung ano yung pangangailangan mo. You also have the Champion of Pentacles. So this is having structure pagdating sa finances mo. Maaring mas magiging disiplinado ka pagdating sa pag-handle ng pera mo and the way you work. Mas dedicated ka sa craft mo, sa work mo, sa career mo. At dahil gusto mo makita yung yung resulta kung ikaw ay talagang magpupursige sa buhay. So, yung iba sa inyo, you might start your own business or a social media business or online business. And eventually, kayo ay makakatanggap ng recognition. People will follow, will, tatangkilikin kung ano man yung may offer mo sa kanila. Let's say, content creation, products, services, okay? Have faith in your dreams. Yes, Libra. So, ito rin yung panahon na mangangarap ka ulit, magsiset ka ulit ng mga bagong goals mo, at titingnan mo talaga kung paano mo yun ma-achieve, one step at a time. So, hindi mo naman to mamadaliin, no? Lalo na kung may mga past experiences ka na masyado mong minadali. So, kumbaga you took that shortcut, pero marami kang na-miss out na ibang importanteng kaalaman na maaring yun yung naging dahilan ng downfall or dahil kaya hindi naging successful yung mga dati mong mga proyekto. Attune to the divine, New Moon in Pisces. Yes, you're going to tap into your instinct, your intuition, your spirituality. Mas magtitiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Yes. And I think isa rin dito sa napaka-importanteng pagbabago sa inyo yung inyong spirituality, yung inyong belief system. Kahit na ano pang religious organizations ang pina-follow ninyo, as long as you believe in the Creator, you believe in yourself, then you can definitely achieve your goals. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye.